Okay guys, here we go. We're starting with the Panther Martin. It's got to be like a 1/16 ounce. It is not a big one. We're at one of the most popular, most urban rivers available, and we're gonna head up here fishing. See, there's a fish already on it. That was cool. That looks delicious. Let's see if a brown trout thinks so. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. Come here. And it's a rainbow. Oh no, it's brown. Oh yeah. All right. Found him in that fast moving water right on the seam. All right, maybe a 12-inch brown trout. Beautiful brown trout. Ran off that way. It is very, very shallow right there. So if they can see my shadow, I've caught the rock. Well, that's tragic. But seeing as how I'm in the river, I'm gonna go get this thing out. There it is. I do think that's the change that I needed to make. Oh, I got a bite. It's hard to burn it fast enough. Let's see if he'll hit it again, shall we? Bam, nailed him. Oh my goodness. Come here, little guy. There we go, dude. All right, guys. Another 12, a little bit shorter. So just so you guys know, this is a size 0 Vibrax spinner. It's all silver. We've got 4-pound fluorocarbon to 10-pound white Power Pro braid. This is a Lose Light Speed combo. It's an ultralight 5'6". This rod and reel were like 30 bucks. I put that in a tree. Okay, we seem to be having technical difficulties. There we go. Oh, it's a little one. That's a brook trout right there. Oh, that's the smallest brown I've ever seen. How cute. Might be 5-6 inches. Oh, quit biting it. Or the tree. Dude, I'm amazing. I lost it. I lost the lure. Well, make me try. Okay. Let's get another one tied on. 1/8 ounce rooster tail. There we go. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit lighter. See what happens. That would have been amazing if I put it right in that tree, right? Wouldn't that have just been awesome? Oh, that's gonna smack, dude. I love the white rooster tail. Okay, hung up. Bam. Took about 1 second. Okay, that is a dark brown trout right there. All right. There we go. All right, guys. Nice fish. When in doubt, set the freaking hook. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my gosh. Serious? All right. That is a good one to end on. That's got to be the biggest one of the day. All right, guys, very orange brown trout, maybe 13-14 inches. Best one of the day. See you guys next time.